what his specialty.
This summer, the MRH Renovation Project is scheduled to begin. We spoke with the Director of Buildings and Grounds, Mike Weiland, who gave us an update on the renovation and the timeline of this huge project.
Well, phase one, first of all, we're bidding out all of the projects in about a month. And by the first part of May, we will have the general contractors who will be doing the projects. The work this summer will be strictly at the elementary school and the early childhood. The work that will be done here in the first phase is going to be exterior work where the chillers are and all in the very front on the north side of the building closer to the gymnasium. By December of this year, they'll start doing site work, foundation work, that type of thing. And then from there, it will be a matter of working very closely with the building administration here, as well as the faculty, as to any areas for the construction that will impact some of the current hallways, that type of thing. We'll need to coordinate to make sure that everybody has good, safe egress and entry, and we'll just be going back and forth as the progress continues.
We also interviewed the Communications Director, Ed Rich, who gave us an inside view of the process of how we passed Proposition E.
Certain was that this is by far the largest money issue that this district has ever asked voters to approve. $30 million, in fact, was kind of what, as we determined, kind of the upper limit of what we could ask. It didn't start out being that big. It was in the low to mid 20s initially, and then the administration took another look, and along with the board, they decided, hey, we're in great financial shape. Let's push for the $30 million and just make sure that our stakeholders, that is everybody who pays taxes in this district, has kids in the district, and relies on the district for whatever reason, to make sure that they know that we're going to go about this with financial prudence in mind and responsibility. And as you know, the outcome was in our favor. The pandemic stepped in right in the middle, right at the most crucial time of our efforts to both inform people and advocate for the bond issue. So it's important to know that there are really two entities that form to get information out to the public when there's a bond issue like this. The first entity is the school district itself. By law, the school district, and that means me in this office, I cannot go out there and say, please vote yes for Proposition E on what improvements are needed. That wasn't all that difficult because over the years we've kept records of what each building's needs were.
As of right now, we haven't started any phases of the renovation, but by next fall, you're going to come back to a completely new and changed MRH environment.